In today's video, we are using the affiliate marketing strategy. There are numerous ways to make money online. As people do talk about blogging, creating YouTube content, drop servicing, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and so on and so forth. So we are focusing on affiliate marketing in this tutorial. We are going to write a review of an affiliate program, post it on medium.com. So our job now is to find products that we can promote to earn commission. So the best website that I will recommend to you is moonchi.com. moonchi.com. Moonchi is having all the digital affiliate programs that is about to hit on the market. When you look at the date, all these digital products are yet to be launched on the market. So you can pick any of them and begin to promote them on media.net. So just look into the affiliate programs here. They are bound to launch. You see, this one is going live on July 6th. So this one is going live on July 7, July 8, 9, July, and this one is going on 10th. 11th, 13th. All the affiliate programs that are yet to go live are launched over here before they are live on the marketplace for people to purchase them. So after you found one, just click on it. Then you can visit the sales page on Warrior Plus. So you can just click on it to open. You can have your affiliate link by just clicking on this, and you can also see video sample, sales page, and source JV doc. So when you have such documents, it will help you to write good article about it. Click on the affiliate link. Click on the request approval. Okay, so after having your affiliate link and after receiving the documents, you look on the document to write good article and publish it on medium.com. Okay, so when it comes to medium.com and you get your account registered, just click on this pencil icon here. It will open the writing board for you to write whatever that you want to. It is simple because you are going to have all the documents. Even if they don't provide you documents, just look at the sales page or at the front page of their website. All right, so just read something about them, gather some information, and write something simple, nice about them. Even if you can create a YouTube video, it is going to help you a lot. Okay, so let's assume that if you've written your article, but that is not the end. You're not done yet. I told you that you writing your articles on medium.com will let your article rank on the first page on Google, but it is not as easy as that. You need to do some tricks. Okay, that's why I said that those who are going to follow this video to the end is going to receive a bonus that will help them to write very well or to rank well on google.com. All right, so let's get into the trick. Let's assume that you've published your article and this is the link of the article. Okay, so copy this link, copy the link like this, and come to this website, pinkfarm.com. Okay, just paste the article. Okay, the link of the article that you published. So paste the link over here and click on Mass Pink. It is going to give you numerous backlinks. Okay, the backlinks are going to help you to rank on Google. All right, so that is one secret that I'm giving you. Okay, so afterwards, come to this website, pink.in. Paste the link here and write the name of the blog, basically about what you are writing. So we are writing about virtual summit, so virtual review of virtual summit. All right, okay, and then you submit it, send pins. Okay, the next website is twingly.com. When you come to the website, click on this one, pink.twingly.com. You can also enter it directly, pink.twingly.com. When you get here, just enter the same link over here, paste it here, and then you take the I'm not a robot and click on pink. That is all. These are the tricks. Your blog ranked on the first page of Google, and with that you're going to have free traffic. And this is set and forget strategy is going to provide you money each and every day, because you can have your blog on the internet for a long period of time. So it is going to help you a lot. Thank you. Let's meet inside one of the next videos.